Hello and welcome. This is Cara and it is Friday, which means it's Freebie Friday time. And I'm sorry for the delay. I kind of changed my mind last minute as to what I was going to do for today's freebie. This is completely different than what I was going to do. So it took me a while since I was actually making it today. All right, so and also it's a 2-page freebie. So if you are not part of Cara, Brandon, and Friends on Facebook, go ahead and sign up to be in the group so you can get today's freebie, which is 2 pages, which is kind of fun. All right, so I was thinking about December Daily. And I thought, oh, it'd be kind of fun to have some things that went with the prompts, right? So that you could cut them out and use them in your journal. I'm sure you have tons of ephemera and different things, but I just thought it might be a fun little addition if you want to use it. And then at first, I made the first 5 prompts, and then I thought, well, that's silly. People are probably already caught up, and then they're going to be working on the next few days over the weekend. So that's why there's 2 pages, because I went ahead and I did basically the first 10 pages. All right, so let's see what we have here. So day 1 is, and of course, you don't have to do it in order. You can do your, it's your December Daily, however you want to do it. But to go along with the prompts, I did this one for decorating the tree. And because day 1's about a picture of your tree. And then day 2 is your wish list or your kids' wish list or grandkids. So I did that. And then 4 is a to-do list. Is that right? Yeah. So I have the wish list and the to-do, and I love the little staples. And then over here for day 3, it was the weather. What's the weather that day? So I have December and then 2021. And right now, if you're loving the weather or not, and where are you? And, is it sunny or cold? And then you can kind of talk about it. And then let's see. So we talked about to do, and then here is a letter to Santa. You might not be able to actually have a letter in there, but this could maybe be, behind a picture or something like that. But it says, Dear Santa, and airmail, and then the North Pole. Kind of fun. All right, so those are the first 5. And then for, where are we? Day 6. We have Christmas lights, so I just have a little string of lights there that you can add to the page. This one right here, I just made it and it's completely random. The guy could be hanging the wreath right there. This could be a Christmas specimen card of some sort, or a specimen slide. I don't know. I just thought it was fun. And then what else? We have a stocking. So we have this vintage kind of postcard with the dog. And then you could write something in his little tag. And memory, here we have in this fancy script, we have favorite memory that you can write about. And top 3, your top 3 favorite things. Maybe they're TV shows or whatever your top 3 things are right now. Not as vintage, but it's kind of fun, a little clip art. And then, where are we? I keep losing my, okay, favorite memory, top 3, oh, and gratitude. So I have the word grateful, and then I have some other labels. You could also write it here if you wanted, or again, you could use this kind of as a background for the items. So yeah, so those are the first 10 prompts with a little bit of extra stuff that you can use with your December Daily. All right, I don't think I'm going to do a make today since this is already going out later than usual. But what I am going to do when I do a journal with me, I'm going to use my freebies in my journal with me because I want to work on my December Daily in a few videos. So I'll probably be doing that next week. All right. I hope you have a wonderfully crafty weekend, and I will see you soon. All right. Bye-bye.